Brad Williams, XL Prime, and we're looking at data validation with emails, and we don't want duplicates. How do we go about changing that? Well, it's very straightforward. We're going to use the same structure, COUNTIF. In this particular case, the only change we're going to implement is less than 2. Why? COUNTIF, if it finds 2 of the same sets of data, it's going to count 1, 2. We don't want that. We want to be able to trigger. If L. Tessler at abc.com shows up twice, we're going to say, no, that's not going to fit into our database. So here we go. It's simple. We insert this into the data validation, and by now you should be familiar with the format. Here's the critical thing. Let's try to put in bgil twice. Gil at abc.com. And you're saying, what's going on, Brad? You said data validation. Well, something happened. What's wrong? Why did it not trigger? Because we have 2 bgils, and caps shouldn't matter. Troubleshoot this, and let's go in, take a look. Let's go data validation. Look, okay, custom, COUNTIF, emails, 5. Well, that looks right. Second choice. What did I say in previous tutorials? Look at your name range. Go ahead, highlight this, and you're going to see no name range. So it's easy. Just insert this, emails, underscore, 579. Hit enter. Make sure you hit enter or it will not register. Enter. Go down here. Type in bgil again. That's the only way it'll activate. Hit go. Look what we have. Retry. What we can do, get rid of this. You're going to have to correct it if it's screwed up. And hit S Shirley just to stay consistent. SHIRLEY. The process, wonderful Excel, as soon as they see a @.com, they're going to put this hyperlink in here. So go in, right click, you see where it says edit hyperlink, remove hyperlink, remove hyperlink. To stay consistent, again, wonderful Excel overrides everything you do, and note the font size. It went to 11. You're going to have to deal with it. And it looks like it took out the borders. Lovely, lovely Excel, my favorite software program. If you want to recycle this, in other words, copy what I just said, you remember the drill. Copy, grab this, highlight it, hit copy, hit escape. You have to hit escape, grab this area, go to data validation, hit custom, COUNTIF, apply if you can, and you're good to go. Read this information if you are uncertain. And that's it. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.